Guys, so back with another Corolla video. Finally throwing on some more stuff onto the Corolla. So I did a little digging and I found some old parts from my old Corolla, and these are just my factory taillights that I blacked out. So I'm gonna throw those on and get rid of the normal taillights, as well as I ordered these a really long time ago, and they were supposed to be for the boosted Corolla, but they took a long time to get here, and also when they did get here I never got a chance to actually throw them on. But these are some custom emblems that say TEQ on them. So these are some really nice high quality aluminum emblems. So I got one for the front and then one for the back. These things look really nice. I'll put a link down to the Instagram, the guy's Instagram that I ordered these from. They are kind of pricey. I think they're like around $150 for the set. But if you're trying to make them look really nice and high quality, these I definitely would say are a good addition to your Corolla, or pretty much any Toyota, because he'll make pretty much any emblem as long as he knows the size of them. So, but yeah, I'm gonna throw these on too, which I think these things look amazing. And they come with a carbon fiber backing, so, and I think you can choose what other backing you want, but I went with the carbon fiber. So let's throw on the taillights first, and then we'll work on these. Then as for the taillights, like I said, these are just the factory taillights that I just threw some VHT and some clear coat on them. So they do need to be cleaned up a little bit more, but all in all they look pretty nice, and I think it's a nice upgrade to the stock ones. Alright guys, so I got the first side on, and I really like the tinted taillight look so much more than the red one, because even on my last Corolla I had those V-Land taillights, which were pretty much like the stock color. I was eventually going to probably VHT them, but obviously that's not going to happen anymore. But throwing on the stock ones, they actually look really nice. So I'm going to finish up, throw on the other ones, and then we'll work on those emblems. I got both on and they look really good. So now I'm gonna hop on to swapping the emblems. But one thing I noticed when I was actually taking these out is there was a rattle in one of these taillights, and I thought something was broken, but someone, I don't think you guys will be able to pick it up on camera, but someone actually dropped a bulb inside the taillight. So I don't know, I never noticed it, but there probably was a little rattle, but nice to get rid of that. So, but yeah, they actually look pretty cool with the silver on the black. So now let's hop on these things, on these emblems. I'm gonna try to use some heat and a little bit of a plastic pry tool, because I don't think I have any fishing line or anything like that I can use, but I'll try to figure this out. So I got everything all cleaned off. I got everything cleaned off pretty good. There's still like a silhouette of where the Toyota symbol was, but I'm not gonna worry about it because I don't feel anything. So I just degreased it really good. And now I'm gonna throw this on there. And it's like a perfect fit. Just might have to try to get it centered just a little bit on that oval because there's a little bit of wiggle room on here. But I think the other emblem has the same amount. So there's some double-sided tape already on here. And we'll just take it off and then press it on here. Alright, so I just got this rear one installed and I think it looks super clean. It is very weird to see like some modifications done to like the stock car. I'm so used to having my car with the wheels and it lowered and everything like that, but yeah, so it's a little weird doing these little mods, but we all have to start somewhere. So, and this is kind of where I started on my first Corolla, was doing all these simple mods because they're relatively simple and easy to do. So if you guys are looking to do something to your own car, like tinting your taillights or replacing your emblems or something like that, it's a very easy and great mod to do to your car, to especially start out and learn slowly how to do it. So, but now that I did that, I don't like the chrome emblem here for the Corolla, so I'm actually going to debadge this. I'm just going to take it off for now, and possibly I might paint it in the future black as well, or I might keep it off. On my last Corolla, I was thinking about taking it off and keeping it off, so not sure yet if I want to do that or not, but I'm going to take it off on this one, and then once I do that, then I'll turn the car around and then we'll get the front one on. Doing the front emblem, and I thought this was double-sided taped on there, but it's actually not. It's actually clipped on there, but you cannot get access to it from the inside. So I have this off right here, and there's just like 4 tabs that are clicked around here. I just pretty much got a pry tool and just pried it out, and then when you do that, it'll come out as one whole emblem. And you'll have to pop out the silver pieces here, so then that way you can get this emblem out. And once you do that, you'll be left with, I've already pretty much sanded mine down, but you can kind of see some residual of the like dimple pattern that's on the back of your emblem. But I sanded this down so it was pretty smooth to the surface here. Otherwise, I noticed the tape wasn't actually sitting up against there. It was hitting, this was hitting the back of the emblem, so I just pretty much sanded this as flush as I can. It's not perfect because this is like kind of bowed at an angle, so I just pretty much roughed it up pretty good and got it smooth enough for the tape to sit up against. I wouldn't recommend doing that if you plan on switching back to your old emblem because you're going to ruin the dimple design, but if you don't plan on doing that and you plan on just sticking with stick-on emblems like this, this is probably what I'd recommend, so that way you know your tape is going to get a good adhesion, because I'd rather not have these fall off when I'm driving and waste like 75 bucks on one of these. So that's why I ended up just sanding that away, and I'm going to clean this up really good and then stick this emblem on there and then clip it back on. Alright guys, so I just got the front emblem done and I think these emblems look really nice. So again, if you guys are interested in getting some of these, I'll put the guy's Instagram down below, so just send him a message, tell him that Brandon sent you if you want to pick up your own emblems for your car. Whether or not you have a 10th gen, 9th gen, 11th gen or whatever, he makes them pretty much for any car you want. So you just tell him what you want and then he'll do it. I believe he also does have another different design as well if you were wanting them, but I went with the TEQ because I think that's just a pretty cool old design of what Toyota used to put on some of their cars. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.